Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to create folders in Academy. Folders help you segregate learning materials by topic and maintain easy navigation between courses. To create a folder, go to the Courses section and choose Create Folder. Then, select the courses you want to unit and click Next. Then, name the folder, add the category if you want, and choose Folder Theme. After that, click Create. The new folder will appear on the courses page. You can change the order of folders using the arrows for more convenient content organization. There's also a setting button on the folder icon. From there, you can go to its settings, clone it, copy to another Academy, and ungroup courses. Inside the folder, it's possible to create new courses and group it in learner path. It allows you to organize your learning structure even further. The folder settings also include Manage Content. Here you can add or remove courses from the folder. The bulk actions are also available, letting you select all courses at once to copy or delete them. The folder's features helps you maintain order across a large number of courses and makes managing your learning content significantly more convenient. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!